What if the same sunlight hitting this house could also charge an electric vehicle? Every day, solar panels collect energy directly from the sun. That energy gets stored inside large battery systems instead of being wasted. Then later, the stored energy powers the house and charges my Tesla. Systems like this are changing how people think about electricity. And this technology is only getting started. During the day, the solar panels generate electricity directly from sunlight. That energy gets collected and stored in this battery system. The entire setup starts coming online during the daytime. Monitoring systems constantly track voltage, charging, and electrical demand. And even my Tesla begins charging directly from solar energy. That's where systems like this become really interesting. Everything here working together as one complete energy system. These are lithium iron phosphate batteries, also known as LiFePO4 batteries. They're designed specifically for large energy storage systems like this. The batteries store solar energy collected earlier in the day. Then later, that stored energy powers the house and charges the electric vehicles. Battery monitoring systems constantly track voltage and performance. All of the electrical connections work together to safely move power throughout the system. Everything here is designed around managing large amounts of stored electricity safely. This is the heart of the entire setup. This is where everything gets controlled. Power distribution, charging systems, and protection systems all work together here. The inverter converts stored battery power into usable electricity for the house. The cooling system helps regulate temperatures throughout the entire setup. Battery monitoring systems constantly track cell voltages and performance. And all of these systems work together to safely power the house and charge my electric vehicles. This system isn't just charging batteries, it's powering real everyday life throughout the house. Air conditioning, heating systems, appliances, electronics, and lighting. Everything inside the house is being powered from stored solar energy. The battery system constantly reacts to changing electrical demand. And outside, my electric vehicle continues charging at the same time. In my opinion, that's what makes systems like this so impressive. The same sunlight collected during the day can power the house at night and still charge my Tesla, even while the entire house continues operating normally. That's the future of energy storage systems like this. Electric vehicles and solar energy are becoming more connected than ever before. The same solar panels powering the house can also help power transportation. Large battery systems allow that energy to be stored and used later. Monitoring systems constantly balance energy production and electrical demand. Everything here is designed around efficiency, energy storage, and sustainability. Energy collected during the day, waiting quietly for the moment it's called upon. And when the sun goes down, that's when the real magic begins. At night, energy storage changes everything. Hours after the sun sets, the system is still delivering power. This is where energy storage proves its value. The result is dependable power, day and night. For most of the year, I don't need any power from the grid at all. The energy collected during the day continues delivering value long after sunset. And the Tesla continues charging, using energy stored hours earlier. Quietly managing power every second of the night. All working together as one complete energy system. Solar generation, battery storage, and electric transportation. 3 technologies working together toward a common goal. Greater efficiency, greater resilience, and greater control over energy use. The same sunlight collected during the day, continuing to power life after dark. From sunlight to stored energy to powering everyday life. This is what modern energy storage can make possible. And this technology is only getting started